Hey Dekoni fans! If you're looking for a balanced solution to maximize the sound quality of your HD800 series headphones, look no further than our balanced 4-pin XLR replacement cable. Simply disconnect the stock cable by gently pulling on the connectors. Then grab your replacement cables by Dekoni and look for the L and R colored indicators on the connectors. Insert the connector to its corresponding side for the left and right channels. Now you're ready to maximize the clarity in your listening experience with Dekoni's balanced cables for the HD800 series. Thanks for watching.